Right. So let's get started. Yesterday, we were talking about the story of the unit, right? Where did they go? Where did they go this time? Do you know? Where did they go this time?
Restaurant.
Yes, they have to go to the restaurant, and it's called Mrs. Mitch's restaurant, right? And what did they have to find out? What did they have to answer?
How much does a chicken pie weigh at Mitch's restaurant?
Yes, they have to find out how much does the chicken pie weigh, right? And did they get the correct answer?
Yes.
Yes, how much does it weigh?
1.25 kilo.
Yes, 1.25 kilos, right? So let's watch the story one more time.
Mrs. Midge's world-famous pies.
Where is Midge's restaurant? Here it is. Let's go in.
At the restaurant.
Excuse me, are you Mrs. Midge?
Yes, I am. Can I help you?
Yes, please. We need to answer a question. How much does a chicken pie weigh at Midge's restaurant?
Oh, I don't know. I haven't got any pies left. But I'm going to make one now. You can help me.
Yeah.
In the kitchen.
Here's the recipe, and here are the ingredients.
Flour, carrots, chicken. Oh, we haven't got enough onions.
Yes, we have. There are lots of onions. Look on the wall.
Oh. Stop, Rav. You've got too much flour. Oops.
45 minutes later.
We finished. Let's put it in the oven.
And now it's time to tidy up.
Oh.
Half an hour later.
Wow. Mrs. Midge's world-famous chicken pie. Oh, it looks wonderful. It weighs 1.25 kilos.
That's right. Well done.
We're too late. Oh, no.
But you're just in time for some chicken pie.
Do you want some? Yes, please. Oh,
Right. So the Red Wolves always arrived late or always answer too fast, right? That was the mistake that the rate groups always made. Okay, so we are going to learn about too many and too much, right? If you look at the stories, they're enough as well, right? When the Meg say we haven't got enough onions, and when Ralph pour on too much flour, and where is it? Is there any too many? There's no too many in here in the story, but you must learn how to use too many and too much. Okay, too many and too much, they both means the same. It means more than enough. Okay, more than enough for too many and too much. So, but however, where is it? Let me check on. Too many, we are using with the plural, countable nouns plural. Okay, and too much, we using with uncountable nouns and always use it in a singular verb. Okay, so one more time. Too many using with plural, countable plural nouns. Okay, and too much using with uncountable nouns. Now in this one, can you help me do it? Put it in the too many or too much, right? People, for example, we can count people. That's why we using too many with people, right? And money, I told you last time, right? That money cannot count. So that's why we using too much. What about mistakes? Mistakes. Can you count the mistakes? Yes, you can count. See the S here? Mistakes. That's a little trick that you can see whether, you know, to if this word, if this noun is whether it is countable or uncountable. You look at the S behind. So this one, mistakes, is countable noun. So we're using with too many, right? How about noise? Can you count noise?
Too much.
Yes, we have to use too much noise. Places.
Too many places.
Good, too many places. Problems.
Too many problems.
Right, too many problems. Rain.
Too much.
Too much rain.
Nobody count rain. Time.
Too much
Too much time.
Good. Traffic.
Too much.
Too much traffic.
Traffic. You cannot count the traffic. Okay. And then tourists is too many.
Too many.
This one is, you know, example of the verb. Try not to make, what is it? Noise. Too much or
Too much noise.
Too much noise.
too much? Right. I don't like it here. There are too, what, tourists.
Many tourists.
Yes, too many tourists. Number 3, wow, I'm sorry, it cost
Too much money.
Too much money.
do we have enough time?
Too much place to visit.
Yes, there, oh, places.
Too many.
There are too many places to visit, right? Number 5, problems.
There are too many.
Right, there are too many problems. Number 6, rain.
Much.
I think there are too much.
Yes. Number 7, come on.
Too much time.
There isn't too much time, or you can say there isn't enough time. Okay, enough normally using with the negative form. Okay, let's try this. Too much and too many and enough. Okay. This one, like I said before, too many always followed by and countable plural noun, right? And too much always followed by an uncountable noun. This one, you might confuse chocolates. Okay, chocolates in this one could be both countable and uncountable, but in this context, it meant for chocolates that, you know, like a candy, sweet candies that you can count 1 chocolate, 2 chocolates, like, you know, wrap it in a things. And enough means sufficient. Okay. Always use it before nouns. For example, there isn't enough time. Okay, it's always come after adjective or adverb. Okay, so sheep is an adjective, right? So this one, the laptop isn't cheap enough. You don't say the laptop isn't cheap too much. That is the wrong grammar. Okay, it would be weird to say that too. So again, enough always comes before nouns and after adjective and adverb. Okay. All right. Here, let's try this. This one. Is there any bread in the house? Oh, yes, there is. What is it? Enough, too many, too much?
Too much.
Too much.
Bread. This is now. There is enough bread. Okay. We just want to know if there is bread in the house. You won't say too much. Okay, too much means you need to get rid of it. Okay. Number 2, I feel sick because I smoke, what is it, cigarettes a day. I'm going to give up smoking. Something that make you sick. What should you say? Something that make you sick. I feel sick because I smoke. I smoke too many cigarettes, right? Cigarettes, you can count. Because you having more than enough. That's why you feel sick. Understand? Number 3, eating. This one, chocolate, is as the uncountable noun, right? Uncountable nouns. So what do you say? Eating is unhealthy.
Eating too much.
Yes, eating too much chocolate is unhealthy. Okay. Number 4, do you want to go to the cinema with me? Sorry, I don't have.
I don't
No.
know.
Enough.
Enough time.
Enough.
Enough time. Okay. Number 5, there are weeds bad for your plants, right? It makes me angry. Something is, you know, if it's too much, too many.
Too
Too
many.
Too many weeds.
weeds. Good. Number 6, you think you shouldn't do that. Money. And
Too much.
No, yes, too
Too
much.
much.
You think too much of it, okay? You shouldn't do that. Number 7, I think she eats and she will be sick and fat. What should you say? They left out food, right? Because people mostly eat food, right? And food is uncountable. So what do you say? I think she
I
eats.
think she eats too much.
Yes, too much. I think she eats too much. She'll be sick and fat. This one, sugar. And this clue also say it isn't healthy for you. You can't eat what?
You use too much sugar in your coffee.
Yes, you use too much sugar in your coffee. Too much things never good to you for you. This one, my grandfather is old. This one adjective. To stop working. My grandfather is old enough, okay, to stop working. So you got the idea how to use too much and too many. Now let's take out your activity book and turn to page, I think it's 48, guys. Activity book, page 40. Oh, no, sorry. Page 52, page 52. You will see these, the table, right? The table that is talking about countable nouns and uncountable nouns and when to use too many and too much, right? This one countable, of course, we use too many. Uncountable, like sugar, we using too much, right? And we could express enough that puts before nouns, right? That puts before nouns. Apples, countable nouns, also can use with enough. Flower, uncountable nouns, you can also using with enough, right? With the negative form, we can use enough, right? He hasn't got enough biscuits. He doesn't drink enough milk. And for questions, this is how it goes. He always using with have, not has, right? He always using with does. It doesn't matter if this is plural, you have to make it, plural verb. No, the plural always aim it at the subject of the sentence, okay? And he is the subject of this sentence. So that's why the verb has to do as the subject agreement. Right. So Ollie and Meg was trying to make pizza. So let's listen and then put the number into each picture.
Listening 2.28. Listen and number. Number 1. Let's make a pizza. Okay. How many tomatoes do we need? 4. Oh, great. We've got enough tomatoes. But we haven't got any cheese. Oh, let's go shopping. Number 2. Meg, you've got too much cheese. We need 100 grams, not a kilo. Oh. Number 3. Ugh. Oh no, I've got too many things. Can you help me? Yes, here's a basket. Number 4. It's finished. We haven't got enough pizza. Yes, we have. We made 2 pizzas. Oh, good. It's delicious.
Okay, one more time. Okay, one more time.
Listening 2.28. Listen and number. Number 1. Let's make a pizza. Okay. How many tomatoes do we need? 4. Oh, great. We've got enough tomatoes. But we haven't got any cheese. Oh. Let's go shopping. Number 2. Meg, you've got too much cheese. We need 100 grams, not a kilo. Oh. Number 3. Ugh. Oh no, I've got too many things. Can you help me? Yes, here's a basket. Number 4. It's finished. We haven't got enough pizza. Yes, we have. We made 2 pizzas. Oh, good. It's delicious.
Right. So, which picture is number 1?
Picture C.
Yes. Which picture is number 2?
Picture D.
Good. Number 3?
Picture B.
Right. And the last one is A. Right. And for activity 2, please make sentences and match them to the picture. So these are the unscrambled words, and you need to put it in the as sentences. Do it now and let me know when you finish.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, you all finish?
Yes.
Okay. All right, number 1, what is it?
I've got too many.
I've got too many things.
I've got too many things. Don't forget the full stop. Okay, which picture?
Picture B.
Picture
Picture
B.
B.
Good. Number 2.
We haven't
We
got
We
haven't
haven't
got
got enough
enough
pizza.
pizza.
Yes, we haven't got enough pizza. Picture
picture A.
Picture A, good. Number 3.
You got too much cheese.
Good, you've got too much cheese. Picture,
Picture D.
good, picture D. And number 4.
We've got enough tomatoes.
Good. We've got enough tomatoes or tomatoes. Don't forget the full stop always. And picture C. Okay. So how is it? Is it hard? You understand, right? Not that hard. You just, know that too many using with countable plural nouns, too much using with uncountable nouns, and then enough, it's express something that you've got enough, sufficient, right? So I'm gonna end it here, and I want to see you tomorrow, right? And Friday is the day off.
Teacher, tomorrow don't have class. Teacher,
Tomorrow you have my class, right?
no teacher, no
Class, right?
no class.
No class tomorrow, and then Friday also a holiday, correct? Okay.
Yes.
All right, so you guys are lucky. No homework for this week, okay? So enjoy your holidays and don't forget too many. All right, and I will see you on Monday. See you on Monday. Stay
Yes.
safe out there, okay? Don't get sick. All right. I'll see you on Monday. Bye, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, teacher. Bye bye.